第1回の県人会世界大会が終わってから私は再びこの日が迎えられることを楽しみにしてきました。前回の大会において参加いただいた県人会の皆さんの笑顔、またおもてなしに参加された県内の皆さんの満足感にあふれた表情を見て、世界中の和歌山県人を結びつけるというこの大会の果たす大きな役割を実感したところです。
After the first Kenjinkai World Conference held 4 years ago, I have been truly looking forward to having this opportunity to welcome you again. Seeing the smiling faces of participating Kenjinkai members and the satisfied faces of the residents of the Prefecture who took part in the event, I realize the significant role this event plays in bringing people of Wakayama Prefecture together from all over the world.
本日再びこの日を迎えることができました。そして前回を上回る数の在外県人会の方々にお越しをいただきました。準備に奔走された県国際課の皆さんの熱意、県内各地域の皆さんの積極的なご協力、そして何よりこの大会に参加しようと和歌山に来てくださった県外県人会の皆さんの情熱が前回大会を上回る盛り上がりを作り上げたのだと思います。
And finally today, we are pleased to celebrate this day once again. It's a great pleasure for us to have even more members of Overseas Kenjinkai than the previous conference. I believe that passion of the members of the International Division of the Prefecture government who have worked so hard to prepare for this event, the proactive cooperation of people from all over the prefecture, and most importantly, the enthusiasm of the members of overseas Kenjinkais who came to Wakayama to participate in this conference have made it even greater than the previous one.
私ども県議会も県民の皆さんと一緒になってしっかりおもてなしをしていきたいと思います。前回に引き続きご参加くださった方、今回初めてご参加いただいた方、それぞれの楽しみ方でこの4日間、ぜひとも和歌山県を満喫していただきたいと思います。
Together with the residents of Wakayama, we, members of the Prefecture Assembly, would like to offer our omotenashi hospitality to you all. Some of you may be attending for the second time, and some others may be here for the first time. But in any ways, I hope that you all enjoy Wakayama Prefecture as much as possible during these 4 days in your respective ways.
この4日間の交流が皆さんの素晴らしい思い出となり、それぞれの心のふるさととして和歌山県が皆さんと永遠につながり続けることを願っております。
I hope that these 4 days of exchange will bring you wonderful memories and that Wakayama Prefecture will be forever connected to you as your hearty home.
本日ご参加のすべての方に感謝申し上げ、歓迎のご挨拶をさせていただきます。
Let me conclude my remarks by expressing my gratitude to all of you who are here tonight.
Thank you. Enjoy tonight. Enjoy this week. Thank you very much again.